what's something you wish more people knew about the maintenance and reliability industry?
Well, I had an interesting. I've been hanging out in the safety world for the last 2 years, and it's been an enlightening experience for me of
Why is that?
what their perceptions are of reliability. And I can tell you with sound faith that the reliability field outside of our bubble is viewed as a component-based field. They think that we are a field of broken stuff.
Uh-huh.
They don't think that we address anything human-wise or systems-wise, that systems thinking is not employed in this field. And I was even called out on it once. I kept defending reliability and referring to it as holistic reliability when you look at equipment, process, and human. And that's just because that's the way that I was raised.
Mm-hmm.
But I found through this exercise that not everybody, these other people were right, because all they did was direct me to Wikipedia. And when you look up reliability, and it is a component-based definition. And I had to eat that one, but that was an epiphany for me.
Yeah.
That the outside world just sees us as mechanical type people.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I truly believe from you in this conversation, you view reliability so much more than just a single component. You brought it home to you too.
Yeah, literally. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it's not something that you just turn off. It's a way of thinking
Yeah.
that it's your lifestyle. It's not your job.